Hey friends, let's jump straight into this fantastic song. We're just in standard tuning, and as always we'll do all the guitar parts. Let me play the intro, then we'll break it down. So guitar 1 and 2 are just playing a C add 9, so play 3 on the A, mute the D, open G3, B3, E. Then go back to a G over B, so the only thing that's changing is 2 on the A, mute the D, open G3, B3, E. Then do that again. Then we're just going to an A power chord 2 times, and the second time stop. Then B power chord, C power chord, and slide up. And they're all the parts to the pre-chorus. So starting with the open E, then play 7th fret on the A, slide down, open E, 5th fret on the A, then do that again. Open 5, then just play an A chord and do a down up. Do the first one again, open 7, open 5, then this next one we're going to do the open E, 7, slide down on the A, open E, then go to open A 2 times, then again, and then 1st fret, 2nd fret, so go back to the first one again. Second one stays the same with the A, then the open E to the 7A, slide down, open E 5, then just play an E power chord. Then we're going to this A chord, play the open A string, 2nd on the D and the G, 5th on the B and the E, do 2, a down up, and again. And that's our first chorus there. From there we go back to the verse and we're not playing, back to the pre-chorus, and that stays exactly the same. Now before we go on, welcome to my channel dedicated just to Kiss songs. Here you'll get guitar lessons from all eras, from the early classics to deep cuts and everything in between. And I'll be uploading a new song every week and covering all the guitar parts. So please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let's keep going. So let me just talk you through this second chorus because it's just the first part of our first chorus. So our O7 on the A, OE5 on the A, and then we do the second one the same as our previous chorus. To the A, back to the first one again. And then we're doing the open E7 on the A, slide down, open E, our A 2 times open, then again, and 1st fret and 2nd fret, and we're just doing that 2 times. So. And 2 times there, and that's our second chorus. So for our bridge, we're just going back to our intro chords, the C add 9 to the G over B, hold for a bar, back to the C add 9. Then just go back to a B power chord, play it 3 times, 1, 2, 3, up to a D. And that's our bridge there. So then we have our solo rhythm, and that's just our first chorus, and we'll do our solo at the end. From there we go back to the pre-chorus, back to the verse, which we're not playing, back to the pre-chorus again, then go back to the first chorus and do it through 2 times. And there are all the rhythm parts. Now let's have a look at the solo. So we're going to start with our volume down, play 16 on the G, turn your volume up, then pull off to 15 and do a half bend. Then we're sliding on the E string 12th fret to 1st fret back up to the 12th. Then just play 12 on the B, and then play 12 on the E, open A, open D, open G. Use your bar, play 12 on the B, slide down. Then we're bending 2nd fret on the G, pull off to the open, so bend and release. Then we're doing 4, pull off to 2, pull off to open 2 times on the G string. Then come up to 9 on the G, pull off to 7, pull off to the open 2 times. Then just do 9, pull off to 7, slide up and down. Then we're bending 14 on the G. Release the bend, play it 2 times. Bend the 14, release, pull off to 12, play 14 on the D, 12 G, 14 on the D. So then we're just releasing the 14 G 8 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then just do a trill between 11 and 12 on the G string, so hammer on and pull off. Then just hold the 11. Now in the background the guitar keeps playing, but this is quite low in the mix. We're going to have 11, hammer on to 12, pull off to 11. 14 on the D, back to G, 11, 12, bend the 14. Then bend the 14 again, release, pull off to 12 on the G. 14 D, back to 12 G, bend the 14 on the G. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Mr Blackwell Guitar Lesson. Don't forget, if you love Kiss, to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.